Hi, my name is Connor Rivers, and I'm the Director of Recruiting for the PGA Golf Management program here at Methodist University. Today, I'm going to be giving you a tour of our practice facilities as well as our golf course here at Methodist University. Again, our practice facilities and golf course are exclusive for PGA Golf Management students as well as the men's and women's golf teams only. So let's go take a tour. All right, the first stop on our tour is the putting green here down back. It's 18,000 square feet, very large, and where all of our students practice their putting at. Now here on the north side of the practice facility, and this is where all of our students practice at here in the practice facility. There's about 30 different targets that our students can aim towards, if it's flags, different sand areas, and greens as well. The practice facility is about 350 yards from this side, the north side, all the way to the southern part of the practice facility. I'll also mention that our practice facility is ranked in the top 50 private practice facilities in the country. We're definitely very proud of that award. Okay, we're now here at the Krick Teaching Technology Center. So we have 4 hitting bays that open and close. They're also heated and air conditioned, so our students can hit balls year-round as well. And the 4th bay here to my left is our club repair lab, so our students can reshaft and re-grip their clubs if they'd like as well. And this is where we also keep our technology, so we have 2 Trackmans, K-Vest, and Body Track that our students can use as well. The next portion of our practice facility is our short game area. So we have 5,000 square feet here for our students to chip on, as well as a fairway bunker and a greenside bunker for students to use as well. Okay, we're now in the south part of the practice facility. So this is where our students can come back here and actually hit balls back towards where we just came from. This is also where the golf teams practice at as well for their group practices. And we also have our wedge range back here. So it's 4-foot diameter sand circles from 20 yards, 30, 40, progressing all the way up to 100 yards. So students can really work on their wedge game back here within 100 yards as well. In the summer of 2020, we're extremely fortunate enough to do a renovation project to our golf course here down back. So currently we're standing on the first hole of the golf course. It was a par 4 and we've transitioned it into a par 5, lengthening it about 115 yards again to make it a par 5 as well. Behind me is hole 11, and this was another portion of our renovation project that we completed here in the summer of 2020 as well. We transitioned this hole from a par 3 to a par 4. Behind me is hole 17, and this is one of the most beautiful tee shots on the golf course. Par 5 that goes directly down the hill and then goes directly to the left once you get down to the fairway. Thank you so much for watching our video today about our practice facilities as well as our golf course here at Methodist University. We hope you learn more about our facilities as well as our program. Hope you and your family visit campus soon. You can contact me, my information down below. Thank you so much again for watching. We hope to see you on campus soon.